Hi students, last class I have given exercise 1.1 as a homework. Some questions are little different, so I am going to work out some questions. Let us listen and try this question by yourself. The first question is question number 1. The question is find A cross B and A cross A and B cross A, where A is equal to 2, minus 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, minus 4. Question number 2, A is equal to B is equal to B, Q. Both sets are same, P, Q. Question number 3, A is equal to M, N, B is equal to 5. 5 means empty set. Our question is to find A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. So question number 1, A cross B. What is given? A is equal to 2, minus 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, minus 4. So first question, A cross B means A is equal to 2, minus 2, 3 cross B is equal to 1, minus 4. So what is the Cartesian product? We have to take every element of first set and every element of second set. Ordered, we have to write the ordered pairs. So take first element 2, here one element 1, 2, 1, next one 2, minus 4. Like that, minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 4. Next one 3, 1, 3, minus 4. So 2, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 4, 3, 1, 3, minus 4 is A cross B. So you have to be very careful. First elements belongs to the first set, second coordinates belongs to the second set. Like that, A cross A. What is A cross A? We have to write both side only A. What is A? 2, minus 2, 3. Here also 2, minus 2, 3. So take first element 2. Here we will have 3 numbers. So 2, this 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 3. Like that, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 3. Next one 3, 2, 3, minus 2 and 3, 3. So we will have the Cartesian product A cross A is equal to 2, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 3, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, minus 2 and 3, 3. Count the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 3, here 3, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So we have written correctly. Next one, B cross A. What is B cross A? First you have to write B. The next one A. What is B? 1, minus 4. A is equal to 2, minus 2, 3. Now Cartesian product, take first element from the first set 1. Here one element 2. 1, 2. 1, minus 2. 1, 3. Like the next element minus 4, 2. Minus 4, minus 2. Minus 4, 3. So 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, 3 is the Cartesian product of B cross A. So we have found A cross B, A cross A and B cross A for the first subdivision. Question number 1, A and B. Question number 2, A and B both are equal to the set P, Q. So like that we have to write only P, Q instead of everything. So A cross B, A cross A, B cross A, everything will be same. B cross Q. So let us try this second question as your homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Question number 3 is a different question because A is equal to the set M, N and B is equal to 5. What is 5? 5 means empty set. That means there will be no element in the set B. So for this question, we are going to find A cross B first. A cross B means first A is equal to M, N, cross B is equal to empty set. So there will be no element. Then what is the Cartesian product? Take one element from the first set. But here there will be no element. So we cannot take any ordered pair. Therefore this Cartesian product will have no element. So it is also equal to 5. So this is A cross B. And also we have studied in the last class, A cross B is equal to 5 if and only if either A is equal to 5 or B is equal to 5. We have studied. So here B is equal to 5 means automatically A cross B is also equal to 5. Second one, first, so for the 3 questions A cross B, A cross A, B cross A, we have found A cross B is equal to 5. Second one A cross A, but here both sets having the elements. What is A, M, comma N? Second one also A, M, comma N. So M, comma M, M, comma N. N, comma M, N, comma N. So how many elements will be there? 4 elements. M, comma M, M, comma N, comma M, and N, comma N. It is the Cartesian product A cross A. So third one B cross A. So here B is equal to empty set. So first set there will be no element. The second set A, what is A, M, comma N. So we have to take one element in the first set, but here there is no element, so we cannot take any ordered pair. Therefore the Cartesian product will have no element. A set without element is called for empty set. Therefore it is equal to 5. Next question number 2. Question number 2. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to the set of X such that X is a prime number less than 10. So we have discussed in the last class question number I think 6 or 7. There will be one set descriptive form, set of all prime numbers less than 8, like that we have discussed. So what are the prime numbers? The numbers divisible by 1 and itself. So first prime number is 2, that next 3, 5, 7, 11, like that. Here the set contains only the prime number less than 10. So therefore what are the elements are there in the set? 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers less than 10. So first you have to find, you have to write the set in roster form. Here it is set builder form. So we cannot use to find the Cartesian product. So we have to change this set into roster form by writing all the elements. So now what are the numbers less than 10? The prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. A is given in roster form, so we have 10, but B is in set builder form. You have to change into roster form, then only you can find the Cartesian product. Now our question is to find A cross B and B cross A. So we have written A and B also in the roster form. So first one A cross B. A cross B means first A, then the set B. Here 3 elements, take one element 1. Here take one element 2. 1, 2. Like that. 1, 3. 1, 5. 1, 7. Take another element 2, 2. 2, 3. 2, 5 and 2, 7. Next one 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5 and 3, 7. So we have 3 into 4 is equal to 12 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 elements in A cross B. The same way B cross A also you can find. B cross A means you have to write first B then A. So you have to start with the first set 2, 3, 5, 7, then 1, 2, 3. So there will be element 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, and 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3 will be in B cross A. Let us try. It is a homework. You can find the answer very easily. Next question number 4. So question number 4, question number 3 already I have told the same model we have discussed in example question. There A cross B is given, here in this question B cross A is given. So let us try this question also homework. Question number 4 now. If A is equal to 5, 6, B is equal to 4, 5, 6 and C is equal to 5, 6, 7, show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So first one, write the given sets. A is equal to 5, 6 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6 and C is equal to 5, 6, 7. Here all the sets are given in roster form, so we have directly written. So first we are going to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. So to prove this, first take the left hand side. What is the left hand side? Left hand side is A cross A. So left hand side is equal to A cross A. A cross A is equal to first A. What is A? 5, 6. Second set is also A. So 5, 6. Take one element 5, 5, 5, 6. Take another element 6, 5, 6, 6. So how many elements in the set? 4. So it is called A cross A. Let us take equation number 1. Because left hand side contains only A cross A. It is equation number 1. Now take the right hand side. B cross B intersection C cross C. So right hand side B cross B intersection C cross C. So B cross B is equal to first set B, second set is also B. So 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Take the Cartesian product. 4, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 6. Like that. 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Like that. 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9 elements will be in the set. Starting with the 4, 3, starting with the 5, 3, starting with the 6, 3. So it is B cross B. Like that we had find C cross C also. C cross C means first you got write C, second also C. C, what are the elements? C is equal to 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. So next start with 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. So C cross C will have 3 into 3 is equal to the same 9 elements. Next, our right hand side is to take the intersection of the two sets. What is intersection? We have to find the common elements. So what are the common elements in B cross B and C cross B? C cross C. See, B cross B there is no element starting with 4. I mean C cross C there is no element starting with 4. So C 5, 5, 4 is here. But here there is no 5, 4. Next 5, 5. So first element 5, 5 is common. Next 5, 6 is also common. 5, 7 is not common. Next 6, 4 is not here. 6, 5 is common, and 6, 6 is also common. So you can easily observe 4, 5, 6 B, 5, 6, 7 C. What are the common elements here? 5, 6. Here also 5, 6. Only 5 and 6 will be the common ordered pairs. So here 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6 are the common elements. Therefore, B cross B intersection C cross C is equal to 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. So it is equation number 2. Now observe equation number 1. Equation number 1, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Equation number 2, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Both equations are equal. Therefore, from equation number 1 and 2, we get A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C. So we have discussed 3 questions. Like that, we can discuss the remaining questions also. This question may be a 5-mark question. The following questions are very important 5-mark questions. They will ask the remaining questions as a 5-mark questions. So practice the questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.